Attention Nissan car owners, are you ready for an incredible deal? Join us at Conicelli Nissan Service Center for our monthly specials that will keep your vehicle running smoothly all summer long. Don't miss out on these terrific offers.
Summer is all about adventure, and we want to make sure your journeys are worry-free.
That's why we're offering an incredible deal on oil change and tire rotation for just $74.95. Keep your vehicle in top shape for all your summer escapades.
Battery giving you trouble? Get $20 off when you replace your battery with us. Say goodbye to battery woes and hello to savings.
Breathe easy with our air and cabin air filter replacement special, enjoying $5 off these essential maintenance items, ensuring fresh and clean air inside your vehicle.
So what are you waiting for? Schedule your appointment at ConicelliService.com. Take advantage of the service specials or call 888-289-5948. Conicelli Nissan Service Center, a nice place to do business.